Before starting with what is cloud, let's begin with the scenario that could be seen before the introduction of the modern cloud computing. Taking the example where an organization has to host their website. For hosting a simple website, an organization needed a set of resources like databases for storing the data of website visitors and the queries made by visitor, for storing site content, etc. Then number of servers, like web server for hosting web pages and mail servers for sending mails and various others. Then required a set of software like database management applications and other software to run over the servers. Finally, the organization required a management team for installing, configuring, and managing the resources. The condition involved a lots of overhead and complications for the organizations, like Number 1, high cost occur from purchasing to maintaining the hardware. Number 2, IT team was always required to maintain servers. Number 3, it was difficult to handle sudden traffic increase which led to web server crash and various others. But after the introduction of cloud, it has really become easier to host websites and various other tasks.